Now that the world is slowly starting to open up again, there are some important etiquette questions to consider. Courtney has enlisted an expert to help us out.
Yes. Okay. So think back when you were in grade school and you would get a little note from somebody that you had a crush on, and it said, "Will you be my girlfriend, boyfriend? Check this box for yes, this box for no." We might have to bring that back, people. Rosalind Randall is with us this morning, our etiquette expert. And this time, it's not about getting a date, Rosalinda. It's about COVID and whether or not you've gotten your vaccine. Are these questions okay to ask? Good morning to you.
You know, any question is okay to ask. It's just we're in control of our responses, and sometimes we don't get the answers that we want.
Right.
So, you know, recently I was asked about invitations, exactly what you said. Can I have a yes or no? Have you been vaccinated? Well, okay, you need to put a little disclaimer or note. If you check no, you are uninvited. I mean, you need to. What does that mean? And also, do you have the right, you know, you enter the legal realm to ask people about their medical status.
Right.
And I know couples who one has been vaccinated and the other one's still on the fence. So if you invite them, are they going to divide them, have two groups present?
That's a good question.
Also disclosing the information. If I go to the party and go, hey, where's Fernando and Bob? Well, they couldn't come because they're not vaccinated. Did you get their permission to disclose that information?
Oh, that's a good question.
So if you're really concerned about having, you know, people over who are or not vaccinated, have fewer people, maybe people that you can confide in and ask and feel comfortable asking. Have people wear masks, provide hand sanitizers, have bite-sized food so that they can quickly put their masks back on. There are things to do, provide an outdoor gathering. But if you are still, you know, there's risk involved, maybe you should wait. That's you know, my final option, really, to wait and have that gathering at a later time.
It makes total sense. Now, what about situations that are a little bit more professional or clientele involved? For example, you know, if you are going to get your hair done or nails done or things like that, and people are starting to get vaccinated, but not everybody's vaccinated. Again, the questions to ask, you know, can I ask for all the clients in the salon to make sure they have their masks on? And
you
and
can, and this applies to dental offices, eye exams, skincare, you know, anything that's close proximity. If you want to find out whether your hairstylist has been vaccinated because you'll be more comfortable, again, they may not want to disclose that. And if they don't, again, don't assume, and this is a big one, people assume that if you don't respond to it or just say, I'd rather not disclose, automatically they go, oh, you're an anti-vaccine person. No. Some people still, even though social media claims otherwise, shows otherwise, still maintain privacy.
Yes.
So you can ask, but there are things that you can do if you're not sure or your hairstylist doesn't want. First, go find one that may answer your question and satisfy your requirements. But two, avoid blow drying. You can ask to be the only client, or, you know, but again, you wear double face mask and how often they disinfect. They may be following protocol and say, you know, small businesses are struggling. They're trying to follow all these new things. They may just refer you to the county and say, here, go check. I am following all protocols.
All right.
You know, they can't take the time to satisfy every little, you know, perk or quirk that we have.
Absolutely. Well, I know that if you've got any other questions, Rosalinda's book, Keep Your Distance, is a fantastic resource. Where can people find your book?
Just on my website, rosalindarandall.com, or on Amazon.
Excellent. We're going to link that to our website, gooddaysacramento.com, under show info and today's date. Rosalinda, always an absolute pleasure to see you.
Likewise.
All right. I can't wait to see us, to be able to see you in person as well.
In person. That'll be a wonderful day. Thank you.
It will. All right. Thanks so much.